Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and welcome back to the second part of building my dream home. I'm so excited. We're doing the interior now, which is my favorite part, obviously. And I have a glass of rosé, so let me know in the comments what you're drinking. I'm excited, so let's get into it. I don't know if you can tell, but this quarantine is getting to me. So I do have the kitchen in. I put the kitchen in yesterday, and I also changed the back of the house because if you don't remember, I had a pool, like this whole thing extended out here, and I had a pool here. But now it's just like this. I just think it looks a bit more like, nicer. And I changed the color of these sliding doors to white just so they match up with the rest of the windows. Also, I figured out the floor plan for up here. I added on this little wing here, just so like this is where my bathtub is going to go, because I just want it to look like the best it can possibly look. Yeah, so I've started on the pantry, so we're going to do that now. But like I was just like looking around, and I was like, I just put the camera down just to see, because you imagine walking into that every morning. Like, is that not just breathtaking? Like, I would actually cry if I got to walk into that every morning. But yeah, so let's get furnishing. So what I think I want to do is I want to put see, because my idea in the kitchen here is how I'm probably going to change the color of these. These are just like the standard color that they come in, so I'll probably change the color of them. Okay, and this is the island. I mean, unfortunately this won't go center, which is really annoying. So I might change this, but let's put the shelving in anyway and just see where we end up. Okay, so I'm just going to keep them the same. Oh yeah, I want to do it like beside here in this nook. Yes! Okay, that makes me so happy now. Oh, is that the right size? Please, yeah, it is right size. Okay. Okay, thank God. Okay, so what else do we want to do in this kitchen? Okay, so I mean, this is kind of the kitchen area-ish done. Maybe do I want to have this here? Or do I want to have that like... I think I kind of like that more. No, actually, this is... Let's not spend forever on the kitchen. Let's make that agreement right now. See, I mean, you can't go wrong with these. Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, Uniflu. Yeah, I think them, to be honest. Oh my God. I have an eyelash on my eye and it's like really sore now. So this is our, like, that's pretty much that done. We'll like add the accessories like at the end. So this is basically our dining space. I want like obviously a rug, just to kind of really lay out the fact that this is the dining space. So where's decorations? Ooh, oh, I do love this rug. Maybe not that color, but like I do love that. Let me just see what colors it comes in. Oh my God, it comes in different patterns as well. I'm obsessed. Ooh, like this is zebra print. I like it a lot. Just saying. So I'm gonna keep this one here for the time being. Still doesn't stop me still continue to look for one, but you know what? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, like little doggy ones. Oh, so cute. Oh, what is this? Oh, a round one. This one could look maybe cute in here. No, it's not really. It is kind of the vibe actually, never mind. The vibe, I might just do, I kind of like the darkness of it. Like I like how it kind of, like the browny neutral kind of tones that we've got going on. Oh, I love that, like the view through there. I like that a lot. Yes, see, I like these lines. I do like the lines with arcs. I think that's really nice. I love in the kitchen, not gonna lie. I mean, that's pretty much the dining room done. Okay, so over here, it's gonna be the living area here. So we're gonna have something, maybe like a little seating area there or something. Who knows? But I know for certain in my living room, I know for certain what I want is a nice, big, massive couch. That's something I know for certain before I even begin. That's what I want. Oh my God, there's new couches. I love this. Let me bring it outside so I can really see it. Oh, I love that. Oh my God, I love that. Yeah, I love that. I like that, and then like maybe like a lamp going over it. Okay, I'm getting like way too excited now. Oh my gosh, like breathe, James, just breathe. Do we even have? See, I want like, you know, like a curved one, not like this. I want like a curved one, but like obviously this one will do as well. Like it's not perfect, but like, oh, oops. But like it will do. I kind of love that. It doesn't like block off all the light, which I like. It still kind of keeps open, but also like the floor to ceiling aspect of it just really adds that like really like luxurious vibe, which, you know, hello, I love. So I mean, I don't like how blank this wall is, so we're gonna have to definitely do something about that. I might like even, no, see, then it won't be centered. I might even actually like cut in and out and do like a nook kind of a seat. Yeah, so then like it's not, yeah, oh yes, that's so much better. Oh my god, it just really like adds that extra dimension and interest. Like it's not just a plain wall, there's like shadows now, and depth, which I really love. So that was a good one. That was a good move. Well done, guys. No, Dean, it's not just room.
Alexa, volume 10.
Dean, we just get out of my room. Alexa, turn off. Alexa, turn off.
Alexa, keep going.
Dean, stop. Okay, so I've decided I want to focus on the upstairs. Maybe my master. Actually, no, I think I might do master bedroom in the next part. So I think I'm gonna do my office in this part. So I think what I'm thinking. Oh, I'm gonna make this a secret room. I'm actually a genius. And I want like a desk that's very kind of, I mean, ideally I'd like to have a desk that's very like sculptural and like, you know, cool looking, but also I'd also like, no, I'll have my studio for like the messy work. So let's see if there's a desk here that's sculptural. I mean, I like the kind of contrast between this and the open window. I think it's really cool. But also I'll be using my curtains as well, so that's obviously going to be happening. Yeah. Oh my god, this is looking so good. Oh my god. When things are built in and like structured like this, you just cannot beat it. Like it's just, you cannot beat it. So I want like, I know there's a doorway that has like a bookcase facade to it, so like it kind of looks like a hidden door. Yeah, that's such a nice little bookshelf over there. Nice, and actually works really well with this space, not going to lie. I might make this whole wall, oh, oops, no. I want this wall to be, oh, black. And then I want this wall to be like a stone. So this is where I'll add in the marble kind of thing I was looking at before. Remember I was like, oh, how would you even use this? Well, this is how we're going to use it, my friends. In this space. Just like a stone wall there. I'm going to put this wall into a stone wall as well. And then I'm going to clone this and put it over here. And I'm also going to put it here. And back here. Because I like it being like a dark and like calm. It's very like serene or something, I think. And I want to keep the concrete floors because, hello, of course. And also I want like a nice rug in here as well. So let's just clone this just so we can get to the rugs. I mean, also this kind of works really well. Like that actually works really nicely. See, I can't have the same rug in every room. So let's pretend between me and you that they're different rugs, okay? Because I actually really want that rug in here. Okay, so what do I want to do on this wall? I want to put like a big, massive like art piece on this wall. Yes, that is the one. I just want the office to be very calm, very simple, you know, easy, not too much fuss. I'm gonna add in like a little kind of spotlight just because, you know, oh, oops. I need some more light because it is pretty dark. Just add that brightness. And then I kind of want to add in like this little tablet or something just because, you know, that's how I roll. I work on a laptop now. No, an iPad. That's what we're going to be working on when at home. Or a laptop. Maybe you could totally put like a laptop there. Yeah, that works. And then also, as well as a laptop, obviously. Perfect. Okay. I like this. And then I'm gonna put like a little camera up here on the shelves, just to start off the accessorization of it. I'll do that off camera because I really don't think you want to see me decorating a shelf. Am I right or am I wrong? I think I'm right. Okay, so I want to put in also a chair. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. This is going to be the second to 3-part series episode thing of me building my dream home. In the next part we're going to finish off whatever's left, and then we're also going to add the finishing touches, and I'm going to give you a full walkthrough. I'll probably furnish some of it off camera just so you're not sitting through like all of it, because you know it's nice to have some surprises thrown in there for you. And yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. So I really hope you enjoyed this, guys. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And whilst we're in quarantine and self-isolating, I'll be uploading an extra video every week. And this week, I mean 2 extra videos. But until the next one, guys, bye.